Yamaha 15950 Best Motorcycle Review. Watch out, Harley Sportster, you might have a serious Japanese rival for the first time. Like any proper bobber, Yamaha's 15 isn't for the long, open road but is more suited to the urban dude. Yamaha has kept it relatively light, at 247 kilograms, and a super low seat height of 690 millimeters makes it easy to control for virtually everyone. An abundance of torque delivers a fun, responsive ride, and having suspension and brakes that work goes a long way to increasing confidence. The belt drive motor is lovely to use and the 15 is a good-looking piece of machinery. Watch out, Harley Sportster, you might have a serious Japanese rival for the first time. Ride quality and brakes. The 15950's chassis is all new and has been designed to be sportier than previous 15 models as well as looking the part. Although it is a relatively small bike, the 15 still feels fat and comfortable with a nice reach to the bars from the seat. However, it is when the road develops a few corners that the Yamaha really impresses. Okay, the ground clearance is fairly limited, but the 15 corners far better than most cruisers and can be ridden spiritedly thanks to a good chassis and excellent, although budget, suspension. The brakes also perform well and the ABS is effective in its operation. Engine. Not everything about the 15 is new. The engine is the same air-cooled V-twin from the XV950 Midnight Star, which came out in 2009, albeit tweaked slightly with new inlet and outlets and a revised ECU. The result is it now pumps out 51 brake horsepower at 5,500 RPM and 59 ft-lb of torque at 3,000 RPM, which is more than enough. The belt drive motor is lovely to use and the fuel injection is flawless. The 12.2-liter tank and 47 miles per gallon efficiency should see it cover over 120 miles between fill-ups, which on a bobber is more than enough to get you between cafes. Reliability and build quality. The level of detail and finish is very high on the 15950 and the air-cooled V-twin engine is a tried and tested lump. Value versus rivals. Bang on the price for middleweight cruisers. Equipment. You get a good-looking bike and that's about it. Yamaha have used a lot of brushed aluminium, which is nice, but only the R version gets ABS.